Hi friends, hope you are good and doing well. So today we'll talk about the dictionary. Uh, then Today we'll talk about the dictionary. Okay, actually there are three primary data structures are dictionary, tuple, and sets. So today we'll talk about the dictionary. In the next lecture we'll talk about the tuple and sets. Okay, so these three are comes under the data structures. Data structure. What is data structure? A data structure is a way of storing data in an organized manner. Okay, it is a way of storing data in an organized manner. This is called your data structures. And what is dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So you need to remember one thing. If somebody said what is dictionary, so simple definition is key value pair. It's a collection of key value pairs. Okay, so I have written here a dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs that is unordered, where each key is unique and mapped to a corresponding value. Okay, so the again I am repeating. Okay, again I will repeat. The dictionary means it's a collection of key value pairs. की वैल्यू पेयर डिक्शनरी में एक की होती है एक वैल्यू होती है ये दो चीजें होती है ओके एंड दिस टू चीजें जो है ना इट डिफरेंशिएट इट एंड इट विल बी सेपरेटेड विद द कोलन देखिए यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हम ये चीज है okay I have not written here colon you need to remember the key value pair okay in between the key value okay it differentiate or it will separate with the colon okay and one more important thing in the dictionary we are using the curly braces whereas in list we have used square brackets or square braces so here we can say curly braces or flower braces okay so डिक्शनरी जो की वैल्यू है किसके इनकम्पास में रहेगी है फ्लावर ब्रेसेस और curly braces and see here the limitations of the dictionary is it's not supported indexing and slicing okay indexing and slicing are not supported in the dictionary ओके क्या इंडेक्सिंग स्लाइसिंग क्या है ये अगर आपको जानना है तो प्रीवियस आप वीडियो देख सकते हो उसमें आई हैव prepared a separate video for the indexing and slicing you can see that video then you can understand and easily understand the slicing and indexing okay so now today we'll talk about the dictionary with one or two example in Python okay so देखिए in the class if you are as a teacher first you go to the class then you will take the attendance okay so every student will be having a roll number and name roll number is your key okay and your name student name will be value so dictionary क्या है Python में it's a collection of key value pair the pair is your roll number and student name these two are one pair these two are one pair okay your key is roll number or key is roll number or value is your name or else we can use instead of value okay instead of roll number we can use your name as a value and key uh, we can use your name okay your name as a key okay so I will create a variable attend. Attend means attendance. Okay, I am writing here attend attend. Or you can take a variable name at also. At भी लिख सकेंगे आप, att भी लिख सकते हैं और attend. I am using here attend. Okay, attendance. So I am creating a one variable, a dictionary. Okay, so I am opening the curly bracket. The rule number one. Okay, rule number one. His name is मोहम्मद ओके एक रोल नंबर एक स्टूडेंट है जिसका रोल नंबर है 1 इसका नेम है मोहम्मद ओके सो हियर विच इज की हियर रोल नंबर एंड वैल्यू विल बी योर स्टूडेंट नेम ओके और एल्स की के प्लेस पे हम नेम भी दे सकते हैं वैल्यू के प्लेस पे हम रोल नंबर भी दे सकते हैं ओके सो देन नेक्स्ट सी हियर द एक्चुअली नेम इज स्ट्रिंग ना सो वी नीड टू यूज inverted commas okay quotation inside the quotations we have written the name student name but if you are writing the integer okay so you should not use the quotation okay then next comma rule number 2 okay the name will be for example we'll take Ahmad okay, but should must be encompass in between within the quotations. The next three हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे आज, okay, single quotation, you can use double quotations also, Raj. Then next rule number 4 colon, I will use here Amit, right? Then next I will print attendance, ATTAND, attendance. So I'll print the variable, the name is attendance, okay, attendance. So you will get the output, your dictionary, okay, whatever you have written the encompass between the flower braces, okay, that will show as a output, okay. Shift enter, you see here, okay. So the output is 1, okay. Rule number 1 is Muhammad, rule number 2 is Ahmad, rule number 3 is Raj, rule number 4 is Amit. Got it? Now you can check the here type also, type of attendance, okay. So it will show you it's a dictionary, okay. Type of your variable will be your dictionary, okay. It's not a list because it comes with the two braces, okay, flower braces and key and one is value, okay, key and value. So obviously we are talking about the dictionary, not list, not tuple also, okay. In tuple we are using the round bracket, okay. We'll talk about these things in later in the next video, okay. The next, if you want to add new key value pair in the dictionary, okay, so I'll write it here, hash. So if you want to write something in the code cell, so you need to use hash, as I said before you, okay, hash. So here I'll write adding new key value pair in the dictionary, okay. Adding new key value pair in the dictionary. So if you want to add rule number 5, so I'll write it here, attend, okay, 5, okay, attend 5 is equal to uh, Ravi, okay. Then next print ATTEND, so see here, now you are having the 5% roll numbers and with names, okay. So now you added a Ravi also in the dictionary. If you see the previous dictionary, okay, in the previous variable in the attendance, okay, there was 4 student names and roll numbers. Now if you want to add a new person in the dictionary, okay, you need to use this function, okay, attend, okay, attend square brackets, okay, the rule number 5 and his name is Ravi. So here it's a key and it's a value, okay. Now got it, how to add, okay, how to add a student name, a new student name in the dictionary, you got it. Now अब हम करेंगे, अगर किसी और को ऐड करना है तो सेम थिंग वी कैन यूज हियर, अटेंड, for example here we can say attend 6 and we can give some other name, attend 6, okay. Then is equal to, क्या लेंगे नेम हम यहाँ पे, हम लेंगे यहाँ पे Sam, okay. Then print ATTENT. So see here, one more person will be added in the dictionary whose name is, okay, name is Sam and roll number is 6. Now the we'll use the next command, that is fetch, fetching value from the dictionary. So I'll write it here, FECTCHING, fetching value or values from the dictionary. If you want to fetch a value from the dictionary, okay, which command you need to use, okay, we'll do it here in the same code cell. Here we'll write it here, attend to, see here, attend to. Okay, so if you want to fetch the value, okay, if you want to fetch the value, okay, and 2 is the key. Okay, so here you need to remember, here you need to remember here, I'll write it here, hash 2 is the key. 2 क्या है यहाँ पे, key है, it's not a index number, it's not an index number. 2 is a key, it's 2 is a key, but it's not an index number, you need to remember. Okay, you if you're thinking अरे सर सेट यहाँ पे इंडेक्सिंग क्लास स्लाइसिंग हम डिक्शनरी में नहीं कर सकते, फिर सर ने किया है, नो नो नो. Okay, 2 is a key, it's not an index number. 2 is a key, it's not an index number. Okay, just we are fetching the value from the dictionary. So रूल नंबर 2 पे क्या नाम है वो निकाल रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. रूल नंबर 2 पे नाम क्या है, Ahmad. Just we are fetching the value from the dictionary. Okay, but it's not an index number. Okay, we are not doing any slicing or indexing here. Okay, again we'll run this code. For example, instead of 2, if I write 3, so it will fetch Raj. It will fetch Raj. Understood how to fetch the value from the dictionary? The next command we'll use replacing. How to replace? How to replace the key value? Okay, in the dictionary. So I'm writing here replacing value from the dictionary. Replacing value from the dictionary. For this we need to use the command attend 3 is equal to John. Okay, so at third rule number, okay, so we are replacing the key, and I think we are replacing the value from the dictionary. So we'll run this code. Okay, here we'll run this code, print. So क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, देखिए यहाँ पे, if you replace the value from the dictionary at third rule number, okay, instead of Raj, the name has been changed, is John. Okay, the name has been changed, John instead of Raj. So you see here, attend 3. Okay, at third rule number, instead of Raj we are changing John. So you can see here, rule number 1 is Muhammad, as same previous one. Rule number 2 Ahmed. Rule number 3 is not a Raj here, it's a John. Rule number 3, it's a John. The next same as the remaining rule numbers and names. So fourth Amit, fifth Ravi, and sixth is Sam, as usual. Okay, so you got it, how to replace, how to replace. Now if you want to delete, if you want to delete existing key value pair. Okay, so I'll write here the command, in the command I'll write it, delete, how to delete existing key value pair. Okay, so which command we need to use? We need to use del command. Del attend, the variable name is attend, so we'll delete 2. Okay, so we need to type here inside the square bracket the key. Okay, not value, only the key. Okay, then next, print attend attend. So see here, the the second rule number with name is deleted. If you see here, rule number 1 is Muhammad, rule number 2 Ahmad is deleted because we have used here del function. Okay, del attend to. So we have used here key. We have not used here the value. Only we have used the key. With the help of the key, we remove the entire key value pair. Okay, we have deleted the entire key value pair. Okay, so here you need to write here hash. So key of the pair will be used to delete entire key value pair. So we can here write it here. We have deleted, we have deleted entire key value pair by using by using by using key of the pair, key of the pair. So I will say have if you see here, so we have used here del space attendance. Okay, inside the square bracket we have used here key. We are using here key to delete the entire key value pair. So see here, so we have deleted the entire key value pair. That means rule number 2 with name is entire key and value is deleted from the dictionary. Okay, hope you understood. uh, अगर आप लोग प्रीवियस वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो प्लीज आप लोग जाकर प्रीवियस वीडियो पूरे देखिए. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियोस, प्लीज subscribe my YouTube channel and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.